Bwiyabanagamba ha mukoro gwo kushendekereza Fiona Kabyanga oruhara wa Minister Godfrey Kabyanga mu district ya Kasese. Minister w'ebyakanyabwenge hamwe no kutebekanisiza ihanga Dr. Chris Baryomunsi yashobora ku Fiona yamanyira indwara yamurembeze ikimureteire kurwumagara gensa ha myaka mito. Dr. Chris Baryomunsi yashobora ko abanyayuganda bengi barukuza kumanya indwara zabarembeze ikiri kuretera abanyayuganda bengi barugumagara gensi abo indwara iziri kubasa kujanjabwa.
We are getting many cases of cancer. Cancer is on the rise, not only in Kasese, but all over the country and all over the world, especially in the developing world. And as scientists, we know why it is increasing, but we need to do more in terms of educating the public on how you can avoid or minimize the risks of getting exposed to cancer.
Mukoro nugo gume Honorable Florence Kabugo uri myeshengero kazahabwa district ya Kasese yanangiriza government ukutaho buryo bukurebeka ngo ministry y'amagara yahiko mwanya ogu yacondoza habwenzi umuhendo gw'abantu bari kwitwa kokoro mu district ezi ndweyongera bwashisha bwira.
Patients are from Kasese. We need that special study to find out what could be the root cause of all this.
Wa Fiona wako mwanamu we reporte ili asomawa sirutaso sana mesi ndimboro hapo emyaka yiwe omwana w'emyaka 35 satuna mukaga faso boro ma kwinyala mulere baitinya binyamatwarwa cancer omubutugu bunene cancer yikahamba mundunya namabetu nga emyaka
bitsiriyaho Minister Baryomunsi yakanise birigamba ku burengero izuba ukukira mnonga district ya Kasese iri rukukizayo abantu abeine indwara ya kokoro.
The studies we have carried out through Makerere University and the Cancer Institute indicated the highest prevalence, the burden is in central Uganda, followed by northern Uganda, then northwestern, eastern, and then western. And that is what is guiding the construction of these regional cancer institutes.
Ndobukirabe kirikityo Honorable Minister Chris Baryomunsi yaragiriza by'amagara mu district ya Kasese ukufayo mnonga okushomesa abantu kuba kubasa kutwaza ukwerinda indwara ya kokoro barukurabiro mu kucebeza nangoteireho no kuronda obujanjabi.
In cabinet on Monday last week we approved money to build the cancer institutes in the Mbale Hospital and the Arua, West Nile. We have already built one in Guru, and also we have secured funds for the Cancer Institute in Mbarara, the regional referral hospitals.
Teka ya gavumenti eyokombeka emyanya eyokuteberera mu indwara ya kokoro amarwariro ga gavumenti g'ebyanga gatari gamwe na gamwe eza kuyambaho munonga okurwanisa ekizibu ky'endwara ya kokoro obwahati yaza kumaraho abanyayuganda. Amarwariro aga gavumenti agarukumanya nka regional referral hospitals nibati munonga againe emyanya eri kujanjabirwa mu kokoro ekiri kuretera oburemezi abantu barikutura omu byaro na munonga abarikuba baine ekyetengo ky'okucebeza endwara niyemwe. Okufa kw'omugyenzi Fiona Kabyanga kwaretaho kwerarikirira omu bantu ba Kasese okukira munonga b'ebembezi ekyabaretera kwimukya ehururu y'okugira ngu endwara egi etandike kucebezebwa.